26th lecture and we will see working with class in C Sharp. Class and objects are the basic concepts of object-oriented programming. A class is a user-defined data type from which objects are created. It is an abstract model used to define new data types. It may contain any combination of encapsulated data, that is fields or members, operations that can performed on the data, that is methods and functions, and access of data, that is properties. Generally, a class declaration contains only one keyword followed by an identifier of the class. Other optional attributes that can be used with the class declaration are enclosed within curly brackets. The general syntax is the access modifier, then class keyword and class name, then variable or fields, constants, methods, properties, events and constructors. All fields, methods, constants, properties and events must be declared within type and are called member of type. Main method must be declared within a class. Here, field. A field is a variable of any type that is declared directly in a class. Fields typically store the data that must be accessible to class method. Fields are declared in the class by specifying access level of the field followed by the type of a field. Example, public int x, where x is a variable of type int and its access specifier is public. Next is constants. Constants are values which are known at compile time and do not change for the life of a program. Only built-in type, excluding objects, are declared as constants. For example, public constant month equal to 12, where month is a constant variable which has value 12 and which is public. Next is methods. It is a code of block that contains a series of statements. In C Sharp, every executed instruction is performed in the context of method. For example, method is declared as access specifier, return type, method name and parameter list and the statements that are to be executed. Next is property. A property is a member that provides flexible mechanism to read, write or compute the value of a private field. This enables data to be accessed easily and still helps to promote safety and flexibility of methods. To define properties, get and set methods are used. Next is events. Events enable a class or object when something occurs. Class that sends the event is called publisher and the class that receives the event is called subscriber. Next is constructor. Constructor enables the programmer to set default value. Whenever a class is created, its constructor is called. We will create a new class and display a simple message in it. To add a new class, open the Solution Explorer window, then right click on your first console application, add new item and select class. The default class name is class 1. I will give your name new class and add. It will add a new class. Here I will add a new method to display a message. So I will define a method private void print message. and that I will define a variable string message equal to welcome, and I will print it console.writeLine message. To execute this, we need a main method. So static void main string. In this, we have to create the object of our class, new class. So new class n equal to new class. I am creating the object and I will call n dot print message and system dot console dot readline. To run this, we have to set the startup object since we have added new class. So under properties, select new class and run it. It will display a message welcome.